How to create a broadcast channel in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a broadcast channel on your Insta. Now before we start, if you're new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, you will need to head over to your DMs. Now, before you can create a broadcast channel, you will need to make sure that your account is a professional account or a creator's account. After you've made that sure, you'll need to head over to this box icon on the top right. You will see the message icon. Tap on it and you'll get redirected to a new message section. Now, right under create a group chat, you should find create a broadcast option. Tap on it and you can create a broadcast channel. Now, there are some restrictions in this. You need to keep in mind that broadcast channels are slowly being released on Insta and are not available for everyone. So, if it can be started by a public account with more than 10,000 followers. So, to create a broadcast channel, you will need to have at least 10,000 followers. So, if you have 10,000 followers and your account is a business or a creator's account, you can create a broadcast channel by simply heading over here and tapping over create a broadcast channel, and yeah, that is basically how you do it. And yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.